going on, guys? This is Lewis over at Tech Review Factory, and this channel is intended to help the average consumer just to find the perfect piece of tech for their needs, and just to give you an honest opinion. You don't have to go through a search engine and maybe find a review or a couple of reviews that were made by a company or maybe someone that got paid by the company just to talk great about their product. This video is not sponsored by anyone, so you will get the most honest opinion about every product that I will be reviewing. And today I'm very excited to finally talk about my TV. This TV is a Samsung 70-inch. I believe it's the 2019 model. And this TV is the best picture quality of a TV that I've ever owned. I'm a big fan of movies and video games. I love finding little Easter eggs, and believe it or not, I love finding mistakes in movies, and I think this TV helps a lot. The video games on here, I sit back and grab my controller and just get immersed into this TV because it's big, so it just makes me feel like I'm in there. And my couch is not that far from the TV, so you can only imagine how it looks over here. The only thing I would like to talk about is the speakers. It could be a little bit better. I do have this soundbar that complements the TV. I do have a review on my channel about the 32-inch black web soundbar with Google Assistant integrated. I control all my lights with them. My TV, I can turn it on with it too. And my Xbox, I control everything with it. So it complements everything with the TV. So, and I love the fact that I can synchronize everything on my TV setup with my TV, and it just makes the experience a lot better. The OS on this TV, it's very user friendly. You just scroll through all the apps. You don't even have to go away from what you're watching already. You can just have that in the background and find that the app that you're looking to use. You can stream from Hulu, Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, which is great. And the one thing that I love about this TV, it has Apple AirPlay, which if you want to cast something from your iPhone, you can do that onto this TV. And if you're done with everything on there, you just want to exit, hit the home button, and it's gone. You don't have to go through a completely different menu and miss everything you're watching already. The good thing is that you can set it up also to, let's say you turn off the TV and you had it on the HDMI where you have the Xbox connected to. When you turn on the TV, it goes back to that same HDMI. It doesn't just go to a home screen like a lot of TVs out there. And my honest opinion on this is this TV is amazing. So I recommend this TV. If you'd like to add anything about this TV, leave it down below in the comments. Like this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button on there. Make sure you hit that so every time that I post a video, you get the notification. And there's a lot of videos coming, and I'm very excited to make sure that we can help the average consumer out there and help me help them. So hit that subscribe button again, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.